is crazy. Ah! No! No. Ow! I died. No. If I die, I want to collect all the coins. Wait. But no. Let's go. Close call. Boop, 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 boop. The bird. I love bird. I like bird. I got 2 coins. No. Oh, come on, please. Yo, this song is a banger. No. Oh, I missed the coin. I'm so bad. Yeah. Yep, I'm very bad. I will not go for the coins now. I will just play. I will not go for the coins. I don't need to go for the coins though. I don't wanna go. No. I still got more games. But this one is very hard. Snowdown is very hard. See this. Wait. Slow motion. How am I supposed to do that? That's bugged. Can I write? That's bugged. Wait, sorry. Bugged. I can't do that. Let me change my color real quick. So, yay! I can draw like this now. Next, ghost house actually hard. Oh, holy! That scares me. No. Goodbye.